Hi, this is your BNB specialist, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how much does Airbnb charge from hosts. 3% is the short answer. Airbnb takes 3% from hosts. If you're renting a property for $100 per night, Airbnb will take $3 from that and then pay you $97. This 3% Airbnb takes, it includes any card processing fee, any insurance Airbnb provides, which includes liability and damage claim for up to $1 million. You do not have to pay anything apart from 3% if you are an Airbnb host. Please note, sometimes they do charge VAT on top of that, depending on the country you are in. But that VAT is on their 3% fee, which is a negligible amount. But I thought of mentioning it anyway. So 3% plus VAT is what Airbnb charges from hosts. At the same time, Airbnb charges a guest service fee, which is about 14.2%. By default, this is how it is. But Airbnb in 2021 has released a new pricing structure. By default, Airbnb will take 3% from you and 14.2% from the guest. But if you want to change it, you can change that. And let me show you how you can do that. You will need to go onto your Airbnb website and click on your profile image on the top right corner of the screen and click on account and then click on payments and payouts. And in there, you will see the fourth tab, which is called service fee. It is by default set to split fee pricing, which is what I've explained so far. 3% from you and 14.2% from the guest. But for some reason, if you do not want the guest to pay that 14.2%, you can change that under the settings. You will need to choose a simplified pricing, which is the first option on the top. And when you choose that, Airbnb will simply take 15% from you, and the guest will not have to pay anything on top. They will simply pay whatever is your calendar price. That is the simplified pricing model. If you're undecided, please do not worry about split fee pricing. That is how everyone charges. Keep it to the default. That is what my recommendation is. Unless you have a very strong business reasons to move to simplified pricing, stick to split fee pricing is what my advice would be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more such videos. Until next time, bye-bye.